Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a waterproofness test of the Crossbeat Elektra truly wireless dual driver earphones. Now I'll be taking it to the steam room because it can survive steam. I'll be taking it to the shower and then see if it's going to survive that. So in the steam room we'll be there for around 10 minutes. On the picture actually on the box it actually shows a woman in the swimming pool, but the earphones are outside the swimming pool. So we'll be testing that later on. We won't be doing a swimming pool test with this because I don't think it will survive that. And in a swimming pool, it's of no use because Bluetooth doesn't work underwater. So I'll keep having issues with that. So we'll be talking about that later on. So let's do the shower test and the steam room test first. Okay, so we're going to do the shower test now. It is kind of cold, so I'll just rush in and then run out. So it is getting wet. It's very cold. So it is completely drenched. As you can see, it is completely wet. So all the water has gone on top of it. Now let's go into the steam room. Oh, steam. Okay, so we are in the steam room now. So ideally you should not do this. Extreme cold to extreme heat, you should not do that. But I was there just for like 5 seconds, so it's fine. And you should not be talking in the steam room. Lot of steam. Okay, so I'll be here for 10 minutes. So it's 6:47. So by 6:57 we should be done, and we'll see if this survives. Now I'm going to play some music on it. Okay, so I was okay, my camera is right. Okay, so I was in the steam room for exactly 13 minutes. So nothing really happened to it. It's completely drenched, completely wet, and it is actually working good. So I've been listening to music on this continuously, and no distortion, no nothing, no issues with the steam or any water related issues, nothing. So excellent waterproofness. Shower did not have any effect on it. Steam room did not have any effect on it. I would not recommend taking it to the pool. Maybe while you're in the pool, when you're outside, your head is outside, a little bit of water, that is fine. But you cannot take it down to 5 meters, which is supposed to be IPX7 rated, because most of the earphones fail over there. But if you want me to do that test, I will do that exclusively for you. Just comment below and I will do the waterproofness test in the swimming pool too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and then see you again with another video. Bye bye.